All right, so this is a mock setup that we put up inside our shop here in Layton. And if you're going to start your own abatement project, probably the very most important piece of equipment that you're going to have is what we call PPE, or personal protective equipment. You'll need a face respirator that has a P100 filter. They're usually purple, and this will filter the air down to 0.03 microns in size for the particles. That's the level that OSHA has determined is safe for somebody to be able to breathe. And so if you're doing it on your own, make sure you've got a good face respirator. We like the North Air filters, but there's a lot of other ones out there. Another item that you're gonna need is you've gotta have your white Tyvek suits. These are required. If we have abatement workers inside your home, they're required to wear these. And when they put them on, by OSHA regulations, they actually have to strip down. So this is the only thing they're wearing. The other item that you'll have to have is a good pair of rubber boots, steel-toed shoes, just to make sure that nothing happens. Once in a while you end up with nails or something like that that can pop up, so make sure that your feet are properly protected. You also want the rubber boots because it's going to be wet inside. If you were just wearing the Tyvek suit, it would soak through and it would be awkward and wet.